I'm a capitalist. I don't have a job. I don't have a paycheck. It's so opposite because that was my rich dad teaching me, and my poor dad said, get a safe, secure job. So the mindsets are completely opposite.
Yeah.
And so that's why, excuse me, when I was watching your program and you're telling me about your dad says become a doctor, I was just cracking up because Asian culture, we're Asians.
Yeah.
And the most important thing is you become a doctor, and then I'm flunking out of school left and right because I'm a dumb shit. Now, ironically, my book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, is number 20 in the world.
You can't read and write, yet you're a best-selling author.
Correct. It's not that I couldn't read or write. The teacher didn't like what I said.